Hey there, let me ask you something. How often do you actually use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint? Now, imagine paying $100 a year just for that. Feels like overkill, doesn't it? The good news is, you don't have to. Microsoft Office might seem like a pricey subscription, but there are plenty of ways to access it for free. Legally, of course. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 simple and legit ways to get all the tools you need without spending a single penny. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves a good deal, there's an option here for you. Let's get started. First up, let's keep it simple. Did you know the Microsoft 365 mobile app is free? It's available for both iOS and Android, and it gives you access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right on your phone or tablet. Whether you're editing a document on the go or reviewing a spreadsheet during lunch, the free version has all the essential features you need. Sure, a few premium tools are locked behind a paywall, but for everyday use, this app is a lifesaver. Now, this one's for the students and teachers out there. If you're enrolled in a school, Microsoft offers free, unlimited access to Office tools. All you need is a verified school email address to sign up, and you're good to go. No trial periods, no hidden fees. If you're not sure how to get started, your school's IT team can usually help you set it up. It's a fantastic deal, so don't miss out. Not a fan of downloading apps? No problem. Microsoft's Office on the web is a browser-based option that lets you use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even Outlook directly in your browser. It works on any operating system, and your documents are automatically saved to OneDrive. While the features are a bit pared down compared to the desktop versions, they're still powerful enough for most tasks. Plus, if you need a local copy of your work, you can download it with just one click. Here's another tip. If you're in the market for a new laptop or desktop, keep an eye out for bundle deals. Many devices come with a free 1-year Microsoft 365 personal subscription. It's a great way to get the full desktop versions of Office for a year without any extra cost. Just make sure to check the details when you're shopping for a new device. Sometimes, all you need is a trial. Microsoft offers a 30-day free trial for its family and business plans. This gives you full access to all the Office apps, plus 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Just remember to cancel before the renewal date if you don't want to be charged. You can easily manage your subscription in your Microsoft account settings. And here's a pro tip. If you know someone with a Microsoft 365 family subscription, ask them to add you to their plan. Each family plan supports up to 6 users, and everyone gets full access to Office apps and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, there are 6 easy and legal ways to use Microsoft Office for free. And if you're curious about keeping your PC safe, don't miss my next video where I break down the top 10 programs that could be putting your computer at risk. Click on the screen to watch it, and I'll see you there.